On my screen here, you can see that my text is currently hanging indents. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add hanging indents in Google Docs. So what you want to do, you want to first highlight all your text and you want to go to format. Now go to align and indent, then go to indentation options. Now here you have the options that currently set this. In your case, you might see that it's set to none and you might see this even blank, right? You might see nothing there. So you might see it like this. Now, all you have to do, you can set the format for your wish. You can set the format of your choice. I like to put 0 here and 0 here for the left and the right. And the special indent, of course, you switch this to hanging indent. And you can set this as well to something. So this is how you want the text to do the indent. So you can set this, for example, I'm going to set this to 0.5 here as I had it, and just simply click and apply, and you will see that it adds it. Now you might not see much difference because this is the current format that I'm using, but if I go back there and I switch it a little bit more to, let's say, a little bit different values, you will see that it's different. So let's say I want to do it to maybe 0.8, right? You will see the difference once I click apply. So if you're looking for how to do indentation, hanging indent, guys, this is how you do the hanging indent in Google Docs. Very easy and very simple.